Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today we're going to be replacing the brake handle on my Poulan Pro 50cc chainsaw. Got the new one right here. I'll show you where I got that. All you're going to need for this job is a 1/2-inch socket and a T20 screwdriver to pull that off. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, not a whole lot to this. As you can see, I wanted to show you where that broke. Basically what had happened is I ran over this with the muskeg, so it's my own fault why this had broken. Nothing to do with the defect of the saw. So first thing we need to do is we need to remove this side cover. So go ahead and take your socket, 1/2 inch, loosen those up, pull that side cover off. I may clean this while I've got this apart. And we're going to go ahead and just kind of pull this out. And there it is, not much to it, just kind of sits inside there. There is a little spring there. I'll actually show that to you first before I put it back in. So I'm going to pull that out of there like that, put that off to the side, kind of set this on its side a little bit. And on this side over here, all we want to do is take our driver, pull that out. You don't want to lose that. It's kind of a special screw. And let's just discard that. Alright, we got that all cleaned up. So let's go ahead and put this back together. The bracket itself that I have here, which I'll show you where I purchased, is relatively easy to put back on. But one of the things I want to make sure that you see is there's a little spring here. And you just have to make sure that when you put that in, there's a little divot right there that's going to go set, that spring is going to set in between there. So let's go ahead and attempt to put this on. I need you just to pull over just a little bit, like that. So make sure that that spring is sitting right in there, and you just need to kind of pull that up around onto that side, just like that. So go ahead. Let's put this screw in. That's all set in there really good. So now we just need to put the bar and everything back together. And once you get this all back together, you're going to need to probably adjust the chain, but I'm not going to worry about that right now because I'm just showing you the handle part. Go ahead and put the nuts back on. We should be all set. There it is. So just go over to the repairclinic.com. You've seen me go there once or twice before. Type in the model number. This is the model number of the saw. And then just scroll down until you find the part that you're looking for. And there it is, $3.05. There it is, back up and going. As you can see, there wasn't a whole lot to that. I hope this helps, and thanks an awful lot for watching.